Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys should know, it is day 3 and it is the living room we're going to be hitting, and I'm really excited because I already cleaned it and I filmed it and the turnout was fantastic. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into it. If you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. So the other day, I dropped my phone down into my couch and I crawled underneath and I saw all of this pet fur. I was so grossed out, so I decided to try and show you guys using a flashlight. And I'm going to get under there today and make sure that I get all of that dog fur because that is disgusting. I'm going to give the living room a quick cleanup to get it to look like it's supposed to before I go ahead and deep clean it, because I can't seem to organize and clean when I'm already starting in a dirty room. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a quick clean and then we'll get started on the deep clean part. I haven't moved this ladder in a very long time, and when I moved it and I went to go vacuum back there, I found a spider and I felt like I almost died. I hate spiders and I didn't want to be that person that like yells for my husband to come kill it. So I tried to be brave and do it, and I succeeded, but it was so terrifying for me. So I had a couple comments about how I vacuum my windowsills, and I just kind of thought that everyone did that. But if you notice when you watch how I clean, I tend to vacuum like any surface I possibly can because I have this phobia of the dust getting into the air and I'm not actually cleaning. So I vacuum anything possible and then I give it a good wipe down. as I was cleaning the other side of this TV stand, it dawned on me that I didn't wipe down the baseboards on the other side. So I'm gonna go ahead and go back and do that as well. So I have found over the years that if I work in a circular motion and break the room into sections and clean each section at a time and make it back to the very beginning, then I will hit every spot and it makes, I don't know, the process a little easier. So I always start in the front of the room and go like clockwise, I believe. So as soon as I finished vacuuming and put the bookshelf back and my husband had made it all the way back upstairs, I realized I didn't wipe the baseboards down and I didn't want to have to ask him to come help again, so I figured I would just get to it another time. So I hadn't realized this, but my husband actually put this furniture over there, and our dog kennel used to be here, and I didn't realize that the wall hadn't been wiped down since the kennel had been moved. So like the chair hit it all, and it was so disgusting back there. I am going to admit that I have not gone through this entire chest since last Christmas. It is stocked full of last year's Christmas cards and just basic nonsense. I don't even know how half the stuff got in there. Like, I guess I just throw things in there because it's hidden. But now I'm going to go ahead and clear it out. And I'm going to make a bag of keeps and don't keeps and get it all dispersed where it actually needs to go. So after I got done doing my first round of vacuuming, I'm going to go ahead and empty this canister. It was so full. And I'm going to give the room one last vacuum just to make sure that I got all the nasty, grimy dog hair and dust.
I'm an idiot. Oh my gosh. Let's try this again. I think I'm tired.
Well, y'all, that's it for today. My living room looks fantastic. This process has been such a fun one, and I don't know, I can't wait to walk into each room that I've done. I still have to clean up every day and do my typical stuff, but everything just looks so much cleaner. Thank y'all for watching, and if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. I would love for y'all to stick around, and I'll see y'all next time.